My Hunter fan get advanced this too. Motors in here is really hot, and I'm gonna show you on how to reverse it. And this one is the details and everything. It's 100 watts. Serial number 000010. Model number. What is that? 24238. Cabo Frio. Hunter. Made in China, but anyways, Hunter, it's still good. See? Something you wanna see? Maybe. Can you see thing? Okay, time to reverse it. Hello. Medium. High. And on updraft mode or reverse, it's actually a bit slower than on downdraft mode. So let's just feel it from the wall. Yep, I can feel the air. So I'm gonna make it back to downdraft. Shut it off. Okay. Back in the boat. Low. Medium. Let's see how. Oh man, this is high. Okay, this is medium because it clicked it too fast in remote, so it doesn't go to medium. Instead, it goes to high. Stick in there. Okay, now it's medium. This light switch if you put a light kit, but it can be dim. So yeah, I don't have the light kit, so just operating with the fan button. Okay, now high. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. Out.